हम्म, हम्म। अब आगे पीछे हो लें। इसे इधर रख लें, खोल लेना, पेज लगा, उड़ दें। पूछे क्या? हेलो हेलो।
यस सर।
हाँ, तीन लोगों ने अभी ज्वाइन किया, वो मनीषा।
यस सर, अभी 3 लोगों ने किया है।
अच्छा, तो जस्ट आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट यू एंड नॉट जस्ट आई हैव गिवन the notes to you as far as the notification is concerned. Have you got?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
यस सर।
Okay, just I'm just reading the notes, and just I tell you all the things what is in this, all the things you try to understand. If you ask any question, you can. Right?
ओके सर।
इसमें notification of disease. Notification of disease is very important during these days because this corona disease has become a very important to form the information which is a very essential nowadays. I think as far as the record is concerned, notification is very important, or that's why we are able to understand what is happening not in our Kanpur, Lucknow, whole state, as well as to the international level in America. And these are the things all are giving their notifications, and that notification, on the basis of notification and linkage, we are just able to discuss how many patients come in our country as well as how many patients comes in other countries, what is the mortality rate, what the morbidity rate. Ruth, this notification is done by, it is very essential because notification is only thing just to get the information related to state level, district level, and state level as well as the international level too. So until unless just you can understand what is the notification in short, but I'm just reading and just discussing with you and telling the things which is given in notes too. Historically, notification infectious diseases was the first health information subsystem to best established. As per the notification is, it is a just give the all the infectious disease, जितनी भी infectious disease है उनका notification आज पहला ही इतिहास बताता है, ये नोटिफिकेशन के जरिए ही पता लगता है। ठीक है, the best establish the primary purpose of the notification is to affect prevention and control of the disease. नोटिफिकेशन का मतलब है कि किस तरह बीमारी को रोका जाए और कैसे उन्हें कंट्रोल किया जाए, because everything is come in knowledge of the us that we can take the preventive measures what you have to do for this. This is just clear to all of you. सबको क्लियर है? आगे, to also source of morbidity data, that is incidence and distribution of certain specified disease which are notifiable. It is also come to know what is the mortality rate, what the morbidity rate. कोरोना पीरियड में कितने मरीज आए, कितने भर्ती हुए, कितने की डेथ हुई, these all the things is done, and it's also get the information to the notification, not in India, but it is we are related to the whole world. They are all the information you are getting once a time and once a minute. What is happening in the whole world, right? Understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, हाँ। आगे जस्ट मन का आगे आप पढ़िए।
Yes. So wait.
लिस्ट ऑफ नोटिफाइबल।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, just start. You are just slow, just I can discuss you what is written in, and you try to just say slowly as per as just give the information what is written in this. पढ़िए।
Yes, sir. So list of notifiable diseases vary from country to country and also within
हम्म,
same country between
हम्म,
states and between urban and rural areas.
हाँ, तो
At
ये
the
just
international
I tell you what is the list of notifiable disease vary from country to country. लाइक जो कंट्री वाइज है ये नोटिफाइबल डिसीज वेरी करती हैं। वेरी क्या करती हैं? बिकॉज वेरिएशन इज देयर एज पर एज द नोटिफिकेशन इंफॉर्मेशन इज कंसर्न, and also within the same country between
See, like
states, between urban and rural स्टेट कंट्री में भी आप देखें दिल्ली की अलग इंफॉर्मेशन है, यूपी की अलग है, हरियाणा की अलग है, तो एवरीबडी इज गेटिंग, महाराष्ट्र की अलग है। दिस इज द वेरिएंट। इन वेरिएंट इट मीन्स वेरिएबल what are the how many cases are happening or what many cases it is. Just it is a notification, it is a cleared by the notification which is given by the state wide in the India, right? आगे पढ़े नैन्सी।
Yes, sir. पढ़ रही हूँ।
हम्म
At the international level, the following diseases are notifiable to WHO in Geneva under the International Health Regulation (IHR). Example: cholera, plague, and yellow fever. The information is published by WHO on worldwide basis. The Expert Committee on Health Statistics, in its third report, recommended that yearly data of notification should be detailed by age and sex.
ये तो जो रिटर्न है आप इसमें मैं बताता हूँ, जस्ट यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। लेकिन आफ्टर जस्ट रीडिंग हैव यू कैलकुलेटेड एनीथिंग नैन्सी? आप कुछ बता पाएंगी?
Sir,
Because I will always discuss in the class what is just written in all the things which I have given in note, but you have to be clear what is the notification. I think it is very clear to you. And what I want to say, just after seeing the notification which is given by the country to country, state to state, what is that? Just you can summarize in yourself in a few words, then I will tell you all the things. Don't hesitate and tell me. Right, Ananchi?
सर इसमें ये बता रहे हैं कि ये जो डिसीजेस हैं इसको इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे WHO ने उस पे सर लिखा है। सर ये
नोटिफाइड है
उसकी थर्ड रिपोर्ट में इसका सर ईयरली डाटा बाय एज और सेक्स उसको लिखा जाता है सर इन सारे डिसीजेस का।
ठीक है, जस्ट आई कंक्लूड योर राइट। यू हैव basically I think you have to pay your attention because nowadays your specialty is very important, just to give the correct information where
Yes,
you are posted there as medical record personality is concerned,
yes,
right? Because
yes,
just I am telling you what the important, now you can understand what is the importance of medical records. You try to just understand and be careful as for the information which is occurring nowadays. At the international level, the following diseases are notifiable by WHO in Geneva under the International Health Regulation. ये एट द इंटरनेशनल लेवल WHO के वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने जो जेनेवा में हुए तो उसमें डिसाइड हुआ था, एक रेगुलेशन फॉर्म हुआ था जिसे हम कहते हैं कि इंटरनेशनल हेल्थ रेगुलेशन, या इन शॉर्ट यू कैन capital IHR, and capital IHR, it is also just given HR. It is very clear about the HR, what the information has been done by worldwide by the country to country, right? जैसे जो जेनेवा में नोटिफाइबल डिसीज की है कि वो वर्ल्ड वाइड ये नोटिफाइबल डिसीज थी, जैसे एग्जाम्पल के लिए कालरा, प्लेग एंड येलो फीवर। ये WHO ने ये नोटिफाइड कर रखा है, नोटिफाइड कर दिया कि ये डिसीजेज जो हैं ये नोटिफाइड होनी चाहिए वर्ल्ड वाइड, एंड इट शुड बी मेंटेन बाय द कंट्री टू कंट्री। एंड आफ्टर दैट नोटिफिकेशन everybody declared which the list of these infectious disease which has been notified by the WHO. And this, no doubt, during the corona period, it is notifiable disease worldwide, and whole world is just having the anxiety as such a corona cases is concerned. It is an epidemic form and it is a worldwide. So they understand, ये पूरी दुनिया में फैला हुआ है, पूरे सारे कंट्रीज के लोग परेशान हैं, और इसीलिए नोटिफाइबल कंट्रीज से जो इंफॉर्मेशन आ रही है नोटिफिकेशन से, उससे हम सारे लोग मालूम भी हो जाता, और what the measures should be taken by the country to country just to prevent this disease, because you know that just also distribution of the disease is also known to me. जैसे ये कि कानपुर में इतने हुए, दिल्ली में इतने हुए, लखनऊ में इतने हुए, it means that what is that these are the distribution of events or diseases which are occurring in the whole world, right? This variation not city to city, district to district, it is a variation of these distribution distribute is found everywhere. सभी जगह ये वेरिएशन होता है, कानपुर हो चाहे दिल्ली हो, चाहे स्टेट लेवल पे करेंगे तो वेरिएशन मिलेगा, सिटी लेवल पे करेंगे तो वेरिएशन। लेकिन मेरा मतलब ये है कि एज पर द मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड विच इज very important just to maintain by the country to country, because only the medical records is there, because there may be any medical record whenever I say it is a medical related to the medical, maybe of any cardiac care is given. The corona is concerned what sort of a disease, what the treatment is given, it is very clear, and everybody is saying which the medicine is important for this. So these are the preventive measures which can be taken after the notification by the country to country. Clear है भाई? काजल काजल
Yes, sir.
हाँ क्लियर है? इसमें क्या नहीं समझ में आया?
Wait, एक मिनट. Yes, sir, समझ में आ गया था.
कुछ पूछ रहे हैं मनीषा? मनीषा, अच्छा, एवरीबडी इज क्लियर? मन का?
Yes, sir.
एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर टू यू?
Yes, sir.
आकृति?
Yes, sir. Clear है.
It is clear. Any doubt you want to ask, you can. कोई भी शंका हो वो पूछ लो. Everything is clear. What is the importance of notification? And it is a very important thing which is taken by the worldwide level just to know what is the prevention measures can be and what is the distribution of disease in country to country. These all the thing is very clear, and I think I discuss in detail. You have to follow it. You try to what I am discussing here. You also write down together with the note which is given to you. Right, you are next. आकृति पढ़िए आगे आगे कौन सा पॉइंट है?
Sir, hospital record.
हॉस्पिटल रिकॉर्ड, हाँ पढ़िए, एक पैराग्राफ पढ़े आप आकृति.
Yes, sir. Sir, hospital records. In country like India, where registration of vital events is defective and notification of infectious diseases extremely inadequate, hospital data constitute a basic and primary source of information about disease
हाँ एक मिनट रुकना,
prevalence.
एक मिनट. This is just you try to understand what is the written, because it is very clear for you, a clear conception should be for you. What is the written, it should be clear to you. आपको बात ये अच्छा है, कंसेप्शन ये पढ़ा है, लेकिन ये कंसेप्शन भी क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए कि what is the meaning of these all the things. इसमें लिखा है in country like India, where a registration of vital event is defective and notification of infectious disease is stimulate and advocate hospital data constitute a basis and primary source of information about disease. इंडिया में जो डिफेक्टिव हॉस्पिटल रिकॉर्ड्स है कि वेरिएंट्स इसलिए कि अलग सब जगह अपने हिसाब से मेंटेन किया जाता है, और जब उसमें कोई डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन व्हाट द एक्चुअली सोर्स ऑफ डिसीजन आई थिंक इज नॉट क्लियर how the record has been maintained, what have been maintained, what should be maintained, how much response is just to maintain the hospital record is not clear so far. You are you are to be, after getting the degree, you are to be the specialist of medical record. You know better how the medical record should be maintained in the hospital. And now it is a very important for you. The hospital record is very important. Whatever is maintained in the hospital, it is a correct information. It is a tried by the which is given by when as far as the expert person, just like you people, when you will just do the work of medical record, I think it will be more. I think more important information which is given by you on the side of the hospital. So you think you have to just know it. Hospital record is very important for not for you, for a state, not for a state, but it is for country. Because until unless the hospital record will not be here, no information can be released how many persons are coming. In the hospital records means the patient, those who come from the community, they come for the treatment. And but no doubt I will discuss later what is the defects of this hospital records. I will discuss in detail in time to judge step by step. ठीक है, आकृति समझ में आ गया? हेलो आकृति?
Yes, sir. आ गया. Yes, sir. आ गया.
हाँ आगे मन का आप पढ़िए.
Yes, sir. The eighth report of WHO expert committee on
ये sources of information about disease prevalent in the community. हाँ पढ़े आप. Eighth report of WHO. हाँ.
Statistics recommended that hospital statistics be regarded in in all countries as an integral and basic part of the national statistical program. The main drawbacks of hospital data are they provide the tip of iceberg.
Number one, yeah.
Iceberg means
yes, carry on.
Yes, sir. So first, they provide the tip of iceberg, means they provide information on only those patients who seek medical care, but not on representative sample of population. Uh, vi-
Mild
vital
cases,
cases, vital cases may not
mild
attend.
cases, not a vital, mild cases
Yes,
may
mild
not attend
cases.
hospitals.
Yes, may not attend the
Subclinical
hospitals.
cases are always missed. हाँ,
Yes,
जब मैं जैसा I tell you कि as far as in the eighth report of WHO expert committee on statistics, एट्थ रिपोर्ट डब्ल्यूएचओ ने जो उसमें रेकमेंड किया था उसमें कुछ रिकमेंडेशन दी थी दैट हॉस्पिटल स्टैटिक बी रिकॉर्डेड इन ऑल मे बी रिकॉर्डेड regarded in all countries as an integral and basic part of the national statistical program. उन्होंने ये वर्ल्ड वाइड कहा था कि जो हॉस्पिटल स्टैटिक्स है ये वर्ल्ड वाइड मेंटेन होना चाहिए इज द मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट because whatever the information there, it is no doubt it is just maintained by the hospital by the persons those who are maintaining the hospital static. And लेकिन as per the just I told you there is a drawback and what the drawbacks is first point जैसा पढ़ा है मन का they provide the tip of iceberg जैसे होता है कि अगर आप खोदो पहाड़ निकली चुहिया तो आप इतनी है इंफॉर्मेशन इतनी है कि आप इतनी बड़ी इंफॉर्मेशन है और लिखा कि इसमें जाता है हॉस्पिटल में क्या है इसमें ओनली दो पेशेंट हॉस्पिटल में वही मरीज जो आते हैं उन्हीं का इलाज किया जाता है who seek a medical care but not on a representative sample of population जो केवल इलाज कराने के लिए आते हैं बट दैट जितने मरीज आते हैं दे नॉट बी कैन बी द सैंपल ऑफ द कम्युनिटी जो कम्युनिटी के सैंपल नहीं हो सकते या रिप्रेजेंटेशन नहीं होता कि हाउ मेनी पेशेंट आर सफरिंग इन दिस कम्युनिटी only selective patient comes who comes in the hospital for the treatment right clear attend hospital subclinical cases are always missed जिसमें कोई सिम्टम्स नहीं होते हैं बीमारी के सिम्टम्स अगर नहीं है और फिर द पेशेंट इज नॉट हैविंग द इंफॉर्मेशन या नॉट हैविंग द नॉलेज एज पर द व्हाट द important symptoms will be within himself. He never goes to for the treatment. No doubt, just I told you, as far as the corona is concerned, if it is an entry of the coronavirus in the body, nobody knows. But here and there, the symptomatic problem developed, and when patient realize, then he go to the doctors just for the treatment. But in the case of the hospital, other diseases are concerned, they are not knowing the patient, those who are having this problem, but it is not symptomatically has been realized by the patient who comes for the treatment in the hospital. So that's why it is no doubt it is a defective information is concerned because the hospital information is not maybe the arming indication for the disease which is prevalent in the community or society or the city. ठीक है सेकंड पॉइंट काजल आप पढ़ें
Yes, sir. The admission policy may vary from hospital to hospital. Therefore, hospital statistics tend to be highly selective.
हाँ ये है काजल द एडमिशन पॉलिसी में वेरी फ्रॉम हॉस्पिटल टू हॉस्पिटल कि जो एडमिशन पॉलिसी है वो हॉस्पिटल की हर हॉस्पिटल की अलग होती है व्हाट द पॉलिसी फॉर द एडमिशन इट इज ए वेरी नो यूनिफॉर्मिटी पॉलिसी हैज बीन डेवलप्ड सो फार so as per it depends upon the hospital policy how which patient should be admitted which should not be which is a chronic which is not it is not clear by the hospital ठीक है therefore hospital static tend to the highly selective इसलिए हॉस्पिटल स्टैटिक जो है बहुत सेलेक्टिव हो जाती है जबकि इट इज ए क्लियर कट एंड इट शुड बी यूनिफॉर्मिटी शुड बी देयर एज पर द नोटिफिकेशन एंड हॉस्पिटल रिकॉर्ड but as far as the hospital record is concerned it has not maintained so far the information can be given on the basis of right समझ में आ गया काजल
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
हाँ बाबा, जरा मुझे समराइज कर दो मैंने क्या बताया।
सर जो एडमिशन पॉलिसी होती है एक
हम्म
तरह से वो हॉस्पिटल की
हम्म
मतलब प्रोटेक्शन फॉर प्रोटेक्शन होती है, और जो सिर्फ सेलेक्टिवली एक रूल रूल होता है जिसके अकॉर्डिंग हॉस्पिटल की प्रोटेक्शन की जा सकती है।
ठीक है बेटे, वो बात ही
पॉलिसी
है।
के अंदर।
यू ऑल ऑफ यू, नैन्सी, मनका, काजल, they are very sincere about to let as far as the hospital record is concerned. Now you people fell, just you all of you realize they think all the hospital information very essential, which will be qualitative can be maintained by you after just doing the degree from this university. And now I think you are realizing the thing. A day will come where important will be, and it is a bus very important for the our institute to those who will give him the expert student to get the knowledge of medical record is concerned. So I think you all of you just try to get the maximum information related with the disease which is prevalent to your society, and you also just be very cautious about the what's happening the worldwide and nationwide. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, थर्ड पॉइंट आप अच्छा, थर्ड पॉइंट मन का पढ़िए।
Yes, sir.
हम्म
The population served by a hospital, population at risk, cannot be defined. Therefore, hospital statistics are considered a poor guide to the estimation of disease frequently in community. In
जरा
spite
रुकना।
of
हाँ, एक मिनट मन का।
Sure, sir.
Therefore, hospital population served by the hospital cannot be defined. The population कितनी population सही hospitals की information से define नहीं की जा सकती है, ठीक है, cannot be defined. Therefore, hospital statistics are considered a poor guide. अगर hospital statistics को हम सिंबल नहीं बना सकते हैं कि इसलिए पुअर गाइड होगा कि अगर हम उससे कोई आइडिया निकालना चाहें पॉपुलेशन के बारे में तो शुड नॉट बी, because it is not very clear, it is not maintained in hospital to hospital, it varies from hospital to hospital. It is a very important for thing as per the informative should be, and informative can be done when the guidelines have been given by the hospital authority, governments or other, maybe state international state level, right? हाँ, आगे आगे का पैराग्राफ पढ़ें, कैटेगरी करें मन का।
Yes, sir.
हम्म
So, in spite of the above limitations, a lot of useful information
information
about yes, sir. Useful information about health care activities and utilization can be derived from hospital records. For example, hospital discharge slip contain much useful information on diagnosis, medical and surgical procedure, complications, length of stay, laboratory dates, etc.
हाँ, ये मैं कुछ जैसे आई एम ट्राइंग टू जस्ट टू get the knowledge what is the written is here. In spite of the above limitation, a lot of useful information about healthcare activities and utilization can be derived from the hospital record. इन सब के कमियों के बावजूद भी जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन मुझे मिलती वो रिलायबल होती है, रिलायबल है एंड इट इज ए यूजफुल इंफॉर्मेशन, ये इम्पोर्टेंट होती है, ठीक है। Utilization can be derived from hospital records. Information can also be get from the hospital. For example, जो हम मरीज जो डिस्चार्ज होता है भर्ती होने के बाद ठीक होने के बाद उसे जो डिस्चार्ज स्लिप दी जाती है हॉस्पिटल के द्वारा, because a patient, I told you as per the hospital treatment is concerned, if any patient comes in the hospital, no doubt it is admitted by the hospital by the doctor concerned, and he treated the patient, and when the patient gets cure, after that curing the disease, the patient is discharged from the hospital. At the time of discharge, the discharge will be provided by the hospital by the concerning doctor. So what the information is in the discharge slip is इट कंटेन मच यूजफुल इंफॉर्मेशन एंड डायग्नोसिस, उसमें डायग्नोसिस क्लियर लिखी होती है। मेडिकल एंड सर्जिकल प्रोसीजर, अगर मेडिकल साइड में इट इज ए क्लियर व्हाट डिड द डॉक्टर विद द पेशेंट, इट शुड आल्सो बी रिटन इन द रिकॉर्ड। एंड व्हाट इफ द केस ऑफ सर्जरी, अगर सर्जरी का है तो इट इज वेरी क्लियर कि व्हाट द प्रोसीजर ऑफ ऑपरेशन हैज बीन taken or adopted by the doctor concerned, it should is also mentioned in the medical record. And just you know what the surgical procedure, any type of operation is there, how it has been performed by the doctor, it is also written in that record. And what are the complication during that operation, it is also mentioned by the doctor concerned on the medical records of the particular patient who get the treatment by the doctors. And length of stay, कितने दिन मरीज भर्ती रहा, कितने दिन मरीज भर्ती रहा, कितने हॉस्पिटल में, ये भी लिखा होता है कि एज पर इट इज वेरी क्लियर कि डेट एज फार एज डेट ऑफ एडमिशन इज कंसर्न एंड डेट ऑफ डिस्चार्ज इज कंसर्न, इट इज जस्ट नोन एज ए लेंथ ऑफ ए स्टे। अगर डेट ऑफ एडमिशन से हम डेट ऑफ डिस्चार्ज को जोड़ लेंगे तो जितने समय रहा होगा उसको हम लेंथ ऑफ ए स्टे कहते हैं। ठीक है, आई विल डिस्कस एंड कैरी ऑन व्हेन जस्ट ठीक द रेट्स एज पर मोर्टेलिटी and all the things when I will discuss you will be clear। लेकिन लेंथ ऑफ स्टे आप समझ लें, जब डेट ऑफ एडमिशन से शुरू होता है और डेट ऑफ एडमिशन जिस दिन होता है वो, और जब मरीज की छुट्टी होती है उस दिन तक जो जितने दिन होता है वो लेंथ ऑफ स्टे इन द हॉस्पिटल, इट इज ए क्लियर कट इज गिवन बाय द डिस्चार्ज स्लिप। एंड लैबोरेटरी डेटा, व्हाट द information which has been given by the laboratory means pathologist, what a report has been given, what were the consequent pathological changes, were about the region of these all the things is report is mentioned by the pathologist as well as the radiologist. If he had radiologist, if a doctor concerned under whom the patient is admitted, he advises for radiological investigation. This is also because as per the, I just discuss and just taught you, as per the confirmed diagnosis is concerned, because as per treatment is concerned, it is a basis, it is started by the doctor on the provisional diagnosis is concerned. लेकिन for the confirmation and diagnosis is concerned, doctor under whom the patient gets the admission, he advised for some pathological investigation as well as radiological investigation. And after getting the pathological investigation and radiological investigation, the doctor is clear about what may be the confirmed diagnosis for the patient. It is clear in that discharge slip. I think it is very clear to all of you. तो भाई सबको क्लियर हो गया? नैन्सी?
यस सर, क्लियर।
कुछ पूछना है किसी को?
नो सर।
नो। आगे वाला पॉइंट पढ़े नैन्सी।
A study of hospital data provide information on the following aspect. Number 1, geographic sources of patient. Number B.
हाँ, धीरे धीरे पढ़े।
Okay, sir. Number 1, geographic sources of patients. Number 2, age and sex.
पहले जियोग्राफिक कोशिश समझते भी चलिए। पहला पॉइंट है जियोग्राफिक सोर्सेज ऑफ पेशेंट। The what the geography, a study of hospital data provide information on the following aspect। जो हॉस्पिटल इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है उसमें क्या बताते हैं, उसमें पहला है जियोग्राफिक सोर्सेज ऑफ पेशेंट, कि जियोग्राफिक में भौगोलिक क्या कारण है जिसकी वजह से इंफॉर्मेशन हॉस्पिटल से मिल जाती है। हाँ, सेकंड पॉइंट नैन्सी। हेलो।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, सेकंड पॉइंट पढ़िए।
So, second, age and sex distribution of different disease and duration of hospital stay.
एज एंड सेक्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ डिफरेंट डिसीज, किस एज ग्रुप में और किस में, कि लेडीज में ज्यादा है कि जेंट्स में ज्यादा है, ये भी इट इज वेरी क्लियर कि इसमें जो डिफरेंट डिसीज एंड ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द हॉस्पिटल स्टे, कि कितने मरीज के, कितने लेडीज भर्ती हुए, कितने जेंट्स भर्ती हुए, ये भी सारी चीजें हो जाती, कितने लेडीज अफेक्टेड डिसीज से हुए, कितने जेंट्स हुए, ये भी क्लियर हो जाती है। ठीक है, थर्ड पॉइंट।
So, distribution of diagnosis.
हाँ, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ डायग्नोसिस का मतलब है कि डिफरेंट, just I told you, as per the patient get the admission according to the symptom that the patient is having. The patient may be orthopedic, patient may be of medicine side, may be of surgery, may be gynecologist. So these are a different patient is there who get the admission in the and treated by the doctor concerned the concerning department by the concerning doctors who are available in the hospital too. So these are information also get from the hospital record. ठीक है, distribution of diagnosis है कि as per how can be the distribution diagnosis, कि diagnosis can be made a different type of departments is concerned where the patient is getting the distribution of diagnosis is clear. ठीक है, next D point.
Sir, association between different diseases.
The period between disease and hospital admission, क्या association between different decision. अब association, it is very important. मन का फॉलो कर रही हो?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, एसोसिएशन ऑफ डिफरेंट डिसीजेस. एसोसिएशन अगर मैंने बोला कि अगर सपोज ए पेशेंट गेट्स अबाउट द सिम्टोमेटिक चेंजेस and doctor just after clinical examination he verified the things about disease may be, लेकिन during the admission, during the treatment of the patient is concerned, a different symptomatic changes are there and these दूसरी बीमारी भी हो सकती है. तो फिर एसोसिएशन पहली बीमारी से और दूसरी बीमारी में करते हैं कि पहली बीमारी में की वजह से दूसरी बीमारी थी या दूसरी बीमारी की वजह से तीसरी बीमारी थी. So these are the association can be done by the hospital records of the patient. Just I know that the cases is considered hospital records of particular patient who get admission and treated by the doctors in the hospital concern. अगर एक मरीज को कई बीमारियां होती हैं तो एक दूसरे के एसोसिएशन क्या संबंध है ये हॉस्पिटल रिकॉर्ड से ही पता लगता है. ठीक है क्यों भाई मन का?
Yes, sir.
इट इज क्लियर टू यू आकृति? आकृति
Yes, sir. Clear
हाँ
है.
आगे पढ़िए पॉइंट आप पढ़ें.
Sir, sir, the
good.
period between disease and hospital admission.
कौन सा पॉइंट पढ़ा? डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ पेशेंट क्या पढ़ा? हेलो
Sir, sir, the
कौन सा?
period between disease and hospital admission.
हाँ, the period between disease and hospital admission.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sometimes the patient is having the problem with him, having the disease in himself, but he just avoid the thing to come to the doctor for the treatment. And whenever after taking the history of the patient, then it can be cleared by the hospital after seeing the history of the patient is concerned. कि वो patient is having how long does this problem with himself. It is mention the history of the patient and it also gives the difference between the admission and disease is concerned. ये बहुत देर पहले की जब किसी को पता नहीं लगता मरीज को वो प्रॉब्लम उससे पहले होती लेकिन इलाज कराने मजबूरी में आता है या ये लगता है कि अब इलाज जरूरी है तब वो हॉस्पिटल आता है डॉक्टर के पास. लेकिन डॉक्टर्स आफ्टर टेकिंग द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द पेशेंट ही कम्स टू नो कि ये बीमारी मरीज को कब से रही ही होगी. ठीक है, तो ये डिफरेंस बिटवीन बीमारी और बीमारी के और क्या पीरियड बिटवीन डिसीज एंड हॉस्पिटल एडमिशन कितने बीच में गैप में हुआ ये पता लग जाता है. ठीक है, आकृति आगे पढ़िए आप. एफ पॉइंट.
Yes, sir. The distribution of patients according to different social and biological characteristics and the cost of hospital care.
The distribution of patients according to different social and biological characteristics. So social and biological characteristics, just I also discussed in the last classes, not every second year or third year. What is the social problem up there? So socially, what may be the problem and what is the biological problem? What is the biological problem with the patient? It can be also cleared after taking the a statement from the patient who comes for the treatment. This is I given just information about the social status of the patient. It should be also very clear, and it is very important factor just to find out the reason of the disease which is having by the patient and treated by the doctor concerned of the patient. ठीक है, मैं पहले भी बोल रहा हूँ कि आपकी सोशल एंड बायोलॉजिकल दोनों ही बहुत चीजें होंगी हैं कि इनमें भी डॉक्टर ट्राई करता है कि क्या में भी रीजन ऑफ दिस। ठीक, आगे पढ़िए। जी पॉइंट, द कॉस्ट ऑफ हॉस्पिटल केयर।
The cost of hospital care. Such information may be great value in the planning of health value services.
इंडाइसेस
Indexes such as bed
इंडाइसेस
and in indices
indices
such
it
as
is
bed
very clear. I
occupancy
think it's just
rates.
it is a sign of algebraic expression. How the pattern algebraic sign is known as indices. आगे पढ़ें।
The bed occupancy rates, duration of stay of patient, cost effectiveness of treatment policy are useful monitoring the use of hospital facilities. It is now felt that computerization of medical records will enable medical care to more effectively entered, better planned, and better evaluated.
हाँ, जैसे कि सर द कॉस्ट ऑफ हॉस्पिटल केयर, जब कितना हॉस्पिटल मरीज खर्च करता है, कॉस्ट ऑफ इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर कि हम व्हाट द कॉस्ट has been done by the patient who has been admitted in the hospital by the doctor and what is the cost. It is very important factor कि sometimes in our India, some patients those who are can afford, they can get the admission in a specialty hospital and get the treatment. Not it is a clear, it is not possible for all the patients those who are having this. So those who are not having, they are not come to the hospital for the treatment. This is a no doubt, but even then, this information, what is the information hospital is maintained, it is very essential and very important. उसमें है क्या कि किस तरह कॉस्ट लगाते हैं, ये मैं बताता हूँ आपको। हेल्थ वैल्यू की क्या है, किस हिसाब से इलाज किया जाता है, तो उससे कितना उसमें उसमें सर्विसेज जो हैं वो डिपेंड करती हैं कि जैसे इसमें लिखा है सच एज बेड ऑक्यूपेंसी रेट। मरीज बेड ऑक्यूपेंसी रेट, मैंने बोला कि हॉस्पिटल में कितने मरीज भर्ती हैं, ये बेड ऑक्यूपेंसी है। अगर आज की डेट में बेड ऑक्यूपेंसी अगर कहें तो जो मरीज भर्ती हैं तो वो बेड ऑक्यूपेंसी कहलाएगी। कल की डेट में बदल जाएगा, इसलिए कि जो मरीज छुट्टी होंगे, कुछ नए भर्ती होंगे, तो कल बेड ऑक्यूपेंसी बदल जाएगी। इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एडमिशन ऑफ द पेशेंट एज द पेशेंट हु गेट द डिस्चार्ज फ्रॉम द हॉस्पिटल। तो ये जो एडमिशन का है उसकी वजह से ये पता लग जाता है कि क्या कॉस्ट हो सकती, कितने दिन वो रहा है मरीज। ठीक है ना। तो ये सर्विसेज ने ये ऑक्यूपेंसी रेट ये डिपेंड करता है कितने मरीज का ऑक्यूपेंसी मरीज कितने मरीज हॉस्पिटल में हैं। ड्यूरेशन ऑफ स्टे ऑफ पेशेंट, कितने दिन मरीज भर्ती रहा, ये मतलब कॉस्ट लगा जाते हैं, हॉस्पिटल से लगाई जानी चाहिए। कॉस्ट ऑफ इफेक्टिवनेस ऑफ द ट्रीटमेंट पॉलिसी, क्या कॉस्ट ऑफ इफेक्टिवनेस कि एज पर इफेक्टिवनेस जैसा हमने कि एज पर क्वांटिटी जैसा आई डिस्कस द क्वांटिटेटिव and qualitative treatment is concerned, qualitative analysis and quantity analysis and quality analysis. I discussed what is the quantity, what sort of the treatment is given, what is कौन सा ट्रीटमेंट दिया गया, किस तरह किया, इस बेस पे भी इलाज होता है। ठीक है। ड्यूरेशन ऑफ स्टे and cost effectiveness of treatment policy are useful maintaining the use of hospital. ठीक है। आर यूजफुल मॉनिटरिंग द यूज ऑफ हॉस्पिटल फैसिलिटीज, हॉस्पिटल में कितनी फैसिलिटीज मिल रही हैं, कौन कौन सी मिल रही है, इस बेसिस पे भी हॉस्पिटल की कॉस्ट लगती है। द पेशेंट इज गेटिंग इन जनरल बेड, नो डाउट द cost of the treatment will be less. If the patient get the room, private room, and the different categories of the rooms are there, deluxe and ordinary rooms are there, and what the patient opt according to the cost of treatment is also taken by the hospitals. ठीक है, आगे treatment policy, effectiveness of treatment policy are useful monitoring the use of hospital. ये जो effectiveness ये treatment policy है, ये यूजफुल मॉनिटरिंग का यूज ऑफ हॉस्पिटल, ये बहुत ही यूजफुल हो जाती है हॉस्पिटल ट्रीटमेंट की पॉलिसी के लिए. ठीक है, द यूज ऑफ हॉस्पिटल फैसिलिटीज इज नाउ फेल्ट दैट computerization of medical records will enable medical care more effective, render better plan and better evaluation. अब ये जैसा I also discussed as per the telemedicine is very important because if computerization of medical record is done by the hospital, no doubt if the good medical records is maintained, then telemedicine can be based on the only telemedicine is nothing in information which is recorded in the hospital by the hospital of the patient, and the patient get the expert opinion not in India, he can get the worldwide opinion on the basis of the medical record. Telemedicine is only possible when the hospital record is qualitatively maintained by the hospital authorities, right? I think it is very clear to all of you, and it is a clear. आकृति ये क्लियर हो गया कि नहीं ये पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
किस
Yes,
तरह
sir.
लगाई जाती है हॉस्पिटल द्वारा ट्रीटमेंट की?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो इट इज दीज आर द फैक्टर्स व्हिच आर नोन एज कि these are the factors which are known as per the different hospital. It depends upon the super specialty, especially output. It depends upon the treatment, what sort of the treatment is it getting the patient. These all the things depend about the cost of the patient, cost of the treatment of the patient, right? Next points, मन का पढ़िए 6 point.
Yes.
हाँ 6 point पढ़िए.
So disease registers. The term registration implies something more than notification. A register requires that a permanent record be established, that the cases be followed up. So
Hello.
yes, sir.
The term registration implies something more than notification. ये जो डिसीज रजिस्टर है उसमें जरा स्पेसिफिक भी इंफॉर्मेशन होती है rather than notification, because no doubt a notification, a general notification which is given by the hospital authorities, because आपने देखा होगा कि बुलेटिन हॉस्पिटल में निकलती particular if the patient is getting, which is very important, the bulletin is written, but a bulletin is not a sufficient. Hospital disease register will clarify all the things which is maintained in the hospital. ठीक है मन का?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो ये इसमें that a register requires that a permanent record be established. ये रजिस्टर जो है परमानेंट रिकॉर्ड है, इसे मेंटेन होना चाहिए. That the cases of the followed and the basic statistical tabulation be prepared both in and frequency and on survival. ये स्टैटिकल टेबुलेशन, ये सारी चीजें हॉस्पिटल रिकॉर्ड्स में होगा तभी स्टैटिक्स टेबुलेशन फॉर्म होगा. Until unless this information which I discuss here, if this information not better, then statistics cannot be formed, and statistics also can be formed very in good manner by the trained and the basic statistical tabulation be prepared both on frequency and survival. फ्रिक्वेंसी कितनी मरीजें क्या, ये सारी बहुत जरूरी है. मॉर्बिडिटी, सिकनेस, मोर्टेलिटी, डेथ आर अवेलेबल सोर्सेज ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. कितने मरीज भर्ती हुए, कितनी डेथ हुई, ये सोर्स इंफॉर्मेशन डिसीज रजिस्टर से पड़ जाता है. एज टू द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ इलनेस, केस फैटेलिटी एंड सर्वाइवल. केस फैटेलिटी के कितने मरीज कि डेथ हो गई और कितने जिंदा रहे हैं, ये केवल डेथ रजिस्टर, डिसीज रजिस्टर से ही पता लगता है. दीज रजिस्टर अलाउ फॉलो अप द पेशेंट एंड प्रोवाइड ए कंटिन्यूअस अकाउंट ऑफ द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ डिसीज इन द कम्युनिटी. ये जो रजिस्टर है ये क्लियर करता है कि किस तरह के मरीज कम्युनिटी में आ रहे हैं और कैसे आ रहे हैं, कब आ रहे हैं, उनका इलाज कौन ले रहा है, कौन नहीं ले रहा है. ये डिसीज से होता है. अब मैं इसको बंद करते हैं. आई थिंक एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर टू यू. सभी लोगों को जो मैंने आज बताया है, पढ़ाया है, वो सब क्लियर है? कुछ पूछना है किसी को?
No, sir.
है?
No, sir.
No,
नहीं.
sir.
हाँ. काजल, मनका, नैन्सी, किसी को नहीं पूछना है?
No, sir.
Okay, so just I am sum up this period, sir. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
Goodbye.
sir. Thank you, sir.
thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.